Big geopolitical news today with the airstrike on Iran. Let's take a look at how our strategies did during that. 60-minute breakout was long overnight. It was stopped out minus 1,000. Night trader, it actually gave night trader a opportunity to get in at a better price. It is right around break even right now. Such a strong market for it to hold up as well as it has. Tick count trend 2 is long right now, plus 125, and the closed trade on the day was for the 19 system stock index portfolio was mirror. You see how much mean reversion occurred back to the middle right at the open. This happens a lot, and that's what mirror does. It captured that plus 500 plus $500 profit target. You see plus 475 there with the $25 round turn slippage and commission. And so let's take a look at the other 19 strategies for the 38 system portfolio. Asia 4 long was long overnight. It was stopped out minus 1,000 on that trade, but the QS3 got most of that back here. You see this quick move here, capturing plus 900. This is a strategy that struggled, and we didn't take it out. And you see the last 2 days it's done well. And so we don't create straight line perfect strategies. These strategies have time periods for which they work, and right now QS3 is bringing it back when Asia 4 long lost. And then you also have all these SR counter trends have not fired off today except for this one right here, SR counter trend 2M, 5M, NQ. It hit its profit target plus 500. So both of these workspaces are up on the day with those. And then let's take a look at our commodity markets. Cobra Euro 4 is long. There was a loss on the day on gold right here. Gold lost minus 525 on the short side, while silver bought this dip and made plus 475 on the long side. Let's look at this workspace. No trades today on this workspace so far. These strategies right here are depending on some more pullbacks to get in, and so the market is up today. Crude oil, big move up. I called for $63 crude oil at the end of 2019, about a month in advance, and I did not get it. 2019 ended here, and so it was around 61. And so a couple of days later, we do get 63. Back to those highs we saw. Let's see, back in this time frame. Let's scroll back here. There's some more geopolitical news back here. You see Cobra Crude caught this move, but the price was up at $63 back in September, and I anticipated we would move back to that at some point, and we have. Prices are relatively contained based on the type of news events, and I've heard, some of these geopolitical news events where you kill the equivalent of the vice president of the United States in Iran would have crude in the past would have had crude oil at 100 overall. Just the culmination of the geopolitical events related to what happened in December, and now would have some say would have crude oil at $100 a barrel. So compression, volatility, compression in prices. We will see how that pans out in 2020. I anticipate higher prices and more inflation, and so these strategies are in tune with the market and anticipating a capture of those types of movements if they do occur. So looking forward to the outlook. Overall, an update on the strategies in the stock index portfolios and the diversified all strategy access portfolio so far today. And those are the trades, and we'll see how it continues on throughout the rest of the day. It's just the first hour and a half of trading so far.